In today's video, I would like to introduce you this exciting pre-construction condo project in the heart of downtown Toronto. I mean, there can't be much more downtown than this, at Queen and Church by one of the best developers in Canada, Tridel. This could be one of the best investment opportunities in downtown Toronto. Hi, welcome back to AV Team Real Estate. I am Antonio, a condo specialist in pre-construction around the Toronto GTA. And if you have any inquiries about the pre-construction project around the GTA, don't hesitate to contact me via the link in the description down below. Or contact me directly at 416-836-8987 or email me at avteam@avteamrealestate.com. One of the most important factors to consider when acquiring a pre-construction property is who the developer is. Tridel has more than 85 years of home building experience. We are talking about 8 decades, and they won multiple times for being the top developers in Canada. If you look at some of the 8 or 10 years old Tridel building in Scarborough and North York, they were kept just like new condo because they have such a great build quality and exceptional property management company. You can say that for many buildings across the GTA. I and the AV team had the chance to visit Tridel presentation for Queen and Church. These are some of the finishes that Tridel offers, and they are very premium and there are a lot to choose from. You can tell by browsing the level of details and quality that Tridel brings to the table. The address is 60 Queen Street East, directly at the intersection of Queen and Church. In the corner of the project site, there are several heritage buildings that must be preserved. If you look closely, you can see where the shawarma restaurant is located. The structure will be built around it, including a community center on the ground level. Another reason you might consider investing in this opportunity is that Tridel will assist you with the rents through the well-known Dell Property Management. This location is in such a great demand, and that these possibility, whether rental or resales, will only strengthen with time. From the look of it, looks interesting and beautiful with a modern touch to it. Queen Church is a high-rise condo with 445 suites and 57 stories. The units are between 408 to 809 square feet. Although this is a high-rise condo, the floor plate was not too crowded. This is a typical floor plate that contains 9 units. This isn't too horrible as long as there aren't too many units that feel overcrowded. Speaking of a location, this is obviously in a prime location. Within minutes away to Eaton Center, St. Michael's Hospital and University Health Network is just around the corner. And of course, Ryerson University, U of T are also in the vicinity. Score of 100 for employment in the area that is so close to financial district. 37% of all jobs are centered in the downtown core. So let's walk through the amenities that come with this project. This is a 24-hour concierge, and due to the hectic nature of the living in the downtown area, they also provide hot and cold food storage in the lobby for those who frequently order Uber or takeout. There will also be great fitness and yoga studio. There's also a party room when you need it for a special event. In the case that you need to do business, a co-working space, particularly in the downtown area, would be highly beneficial. Kids area and play zone also is part of the amenities of the building, and as well as pet watch. Some quick facts about the land at Queen Church. It's owned by Bazis. Together, Bazis and Tridel partner and will be building a fantastic opportunity in this downtown location. Tridel is aiming to return to downtown and deliver you this exciting project for an amazing investment. Hence, the hashtag Downtown Reboot. Let's go through 3 reasons why this may be your next investment opportunity. Starting with the fact that Tridel is Canada's top builder. You won't have to worry about the project being cancelled because of their reputation, and you won't have to worry about the quality either. The second factor is the site's location. It doesn't get any better than Queen and Church when it comes to prime downtown real estate. It is connected to the university network, leading post-secondary universities, the financial district, and the entertainment district. Finally, Tridel is encouraging rentals this time around, and they even provide an amazing rental property service, making this a great investment in a prime location. I hope you found the necessary information about this project that will be launched in mid-May of this year. If you want to learn more about this fantastic opportunity and secure your unit, don't hesitate to contact AV Team Real Estate. You can find our contact information in the description down below, or simply book a call with us using the link in the description as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.